For many photographers, gear is more than just tools. It's a passion. I'm one of those. The thrill of unboxing a new lens, the tactile feel of the camera buttons, and the promise of improved quality with each upgrade can be so intoxicating. I know that feeling. Go to any social media photography group and you'll see nothing but photos of boxes that once housed someone's new camera or lens, or you'll see photos of someone's newly purchased gear with the caption, "New members to the family," or "I did a thing." Then in these photos, there's comments. There's hundreds of comments with replies like, "Congratulations," or "Hey, I just ordered the same thing." And then a couple posts below that one, you'll see a beautifully captured photo of a sunset or a blue heron fishing for its dinner. And the comments section will be like crickets. Or maybe I'll have a few likes, and if you're lucky, maybe a little heart. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. It really, really does help my channel. I can't tell you how much. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. But does better gear make you a better photographer? This debate comes up every few months on the various photography groups on Reddit, Facebook, X, you name it. Okay. Now, while high-end equipment can offer more features and better image quality, it is still the photographer's skill that truly captures the essence of a moment. I'm going to answer this question right now, right at the beginning. Gear does not, and I repeat, does not make you a better photographer. Photographers have been using less advanced cameras and lenses for decades and still took amazing photos. What all this new gear does do is it makes the photographer more efficient, taking less out of focus photos, being able to accomplish more on a photo shoot, etc. That new high-tech gear won't give the photographer better composition skills or teach them the exposure triangle. That brand new $4,000 lens will not help you pose your model better or frame your shots artistically. Photographers often fall into the trap of gear acquisition syndrome, or G.A.S, where the desire for new equipment becomes a relentless pursuit. I am 100% guilty as charged when it comes to buying gear. Just ask my wife. But remember, some of the most iconic photos were taken with gear that's now considered obsolete. One would be a fool to say Ansel Adams took mediocre photos because his gear wasn't high tech. Yes, I'm sure he had the latest and greatest gear of his time, but his gear was nothing compared to what even some amateur photographers own today. So, what is the takeaway of this ongoing debate about gear makes you a better photographer? Well, love your gear, but don't let it define you. Ask yourself if you really need that new camera body. And in all honesty, if anything, invest in a new and better lens. That may help your photos look better. Embrace the challenge of creating stunning images with what you have. After all, Creativity is not bound by the limits of your equipment. Okay. And learning new skills is free. You can practice and learn them on your own. Photography is about capturing the world through your unique perspective. Gear can help make taking those photos easier, but it is your vision that tells the story. Take care, everyone.